Buen dia, Crooklyn crew. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a rod set. I got the jumbo rods. I know there's ones that's smaller than these, but these are the ones that I'll be using, and these are the ones that I normally use for my hair anytime I put them in rods. I didn't feel like doing flexi rods because I wanted a more like defined and like put together look. So I'll be using these, and I'm probably gonna speed this up because yeah, I've never done this video on YouTube, and that's the reason why I started recording. I was just trying to put these in my hair real fast, but let's give you guys some content. Why don't we? So I already washed and deep conditioned my hair. I use Earthborn Organics, their infused black soap shampoo, and I also used their salted caramel deep conditioner. And after I let it sit in my hair for about an hour, I didn't use heat, I didn't use my my steamer. I let it sit in my hair for about an hour, and then I washed it out with cool water.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Jeez. Then I washed it out with cool water, and then I used their aloe leave-in conditioner. I used the aloe leave-in conditioner while my hair was still drenched in the shower, and now here we are. It's kind of drying out a little bit, so I kind of want to get started. So let's do it. So in my hair, I have this leave-in conditioner by Earthborn Organics. It's their aloe leave-in conditioner, and today I will just be using Design Essentials almond and avocado curling Hansen mousse. If you didn't watch my last self-care haul, go ahead and watch that because I showed you guys this and I told you guys this is a holy grail. Do cop yourself some of this because it's amazing. So this is the only item that I'll be using in my hair today, and I'm excited to see how this turns out. So let's just jump straight into this video. Okay, so the struggle was definitely real. Like, I've been in here for about 30 minutes now. The struggle's real. And like, I feel like my ends is coming out. I feel like I did the back really sloppy and I did the front way better, but I don't feel like going back to the back to fix it. I just want to get through this. So, I used 2 packs of these for 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections. So 12, 24, 36. So what's that? 36 rods I used so far. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 in this front section right here. So I'll probably be putting 8 here. So yeah. This is 2. Split this in 2. Alright, so I got some mousse on there. Let's open up the last pack. Yep. Hopefully I only need 8. So this is what it looks like. You pop it open. This is what I like to do. You take your hair. I like to like twist the root right here. Twist the root, and then you kind of want to make sure you don't have any tangles, and then take your hair and, I don't know how to describe it, like pull it out, hold it tightly and pull it out. And then you take your rod, take the end that has the little rubber band, and you start wrapping your ends under, and then you start rolling up while holding the hair at the same time. It's a little complicated, and flexi sets do take time to master. I still haven't mastered this crap. It's annoying. I like to do this. I like to grab it and then twist while I'm going up. Yes, all the way until I feel like that was my last chance, and then I just simply roll it all the way as far as I can up, and then the rubber band part thing wants to go against the hair that's coming out of the section, the hair that's going into the rod. So you want to put the rubber band thing against that hair right here, so it keeps it in place. Boom. Now moving. All right, let's do the front. The front is always a little complicated for me because I have tiny, tiny, tiny hairs in the front. All right, let's try to do this the best I can. Wrap them ends, wrap them ends. Let's go up, up, up. There we go. Ooh, one more. Let's roll up, roll up, roll up, and let's put it against the hair. So you want to put the rubber band this way against the hair part. You don't want to ever put it behind. It needs to be in front where the hair thing is. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying when I'm saying like where the hair is coming. Okay, so yeah, you see right here, you want the hair that's going into the rod, you want the rubber band to go on that, press against that. That's what keeps it in place. That's a little trip. That's a little quick tip for flexi or rod sets or whatever. My brain is all over the place. I just want to finish, to be honest. I don't even know if I'll be taking the back part out to actually fix it. Because like I said, I told y'all I did the back part mad sloppy. And the front part looks amazing, as always. I need to do better. My bathroom is so hot, so I'll be just in here trying to get out, you know? So the important thing about a rod set is that you want all the hair to be moisturized. There should be nothing dry or like, and it's weird because for me, I don't like my hair really drenched when I'm doing flexi sets or rod sets or perm rod sets. I usually like my hair to be dry a little bit. My hair works better that way, but right now I just washed my hair, so it's wet. So let's separate this one into two. Boom, right down the middle. This half will go this way. Let's take this piece. Boom. So now we got this piece, right? We want to make sure it's detangled all the way through. Look at that curl. This brush, y'all. This brush. Open it up. All right, my trick. Twist the root. Pull it all the way out to the end like that. Grab your rod. See how it's all tangly? You don't want it to look like that or all bumpy or whatever. You want it to be smooth. All right, here we go. Put them ends up. Roll, roll, roll up. Roll up. Twist, twist. Start twisting. Twist until you feel like you've twisted enough. Then you're gonna roll up and place that rubber band against the hair shaft and lock that in. Boom. Next one. Yeah, I highly doubt I'll be going back to fix the ones that's in the back because my arms is burning. The way that my arms is burning, y'all. Oh, and another thing too, I let my flexi or my rod sets, I keep calling these flexi rods. I let these sit in cold water. Like my sink is full of cold water and they're just like sitting there in the cold water. Actually, let's do this one forward like this. This might be cute this way. Boom, take your ends, roll up. Go against the hair and pinned. A few more. I'm done. Hey Crooklyn crew, I'm back and I'm going to take these out. I've actually had these in for a day and a half, basically almost 2 days now. I went on a road trip and now I'm here and now I'm about to take these out. So hopefully they look good. If not, I'll make it work anyway. So let's go. I've been using this hair oil for basically the last 6 months. It's called My Hair Grows Rapid Grow hair drops. I think that this is a good way to protect your hair while you're taking it out. Just be gentle, take your time, you know, let the hair separate where it falls naturally. That's the rules to when I take out my hair, from a twist out, a braid out, a flexi rod set, a perm rod set, whatever it is. I have the same rules basically. Of it, and hopefully you guys can see bathroom, so I have to work with what I got. Thankssss Rod Set. Hope you guys loved this as much as I did. It came out super cute, super perfect. I'm gonna fluff it out, but I have to run, so if you're not already subscribed to my channel, stop what you're doing, subscribe to my channel. If you are, thanks for rocking out with me. I appreciate you guys so much. Like this video, comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.